This is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to start, you gotta launch the control panel by swiping downwards from the right part of your status bar. Then, among the available shortcuts, find the one that is responsible for the Wi-Fi, then touch and hold. Once at the Wi-Fi settings page, assuming that the network that you wanted to show the password for is the one that you are currently connected to, tap on it. At the Wi-Fi or network details page, go for the Wi-Fi QR code section, and as you can see, this little window pops up which contains the actual Wi-Fi network password right above the QR code, and well, the QR code itself, which you can further scan with any other device and get it automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.